So that is one example around passion. There could be other examples in the other three areas also. The second part is again about अभी हम क्या कर सकते हैं. So some examples you see on the screen. Again, none of this is difficult. It's just difficult to remember when we are extremely busy and stressed. We can discuss what are some good practices that you are seeing in your branch, or what you are already doing, or what you want to do more of. So we will have a good 20 minutes for this discussion. And then, as always, we will come back and learn from each other. As we've seen in previous activities, a lot of wisdom is common, and a lot of groups are thinking in the same manner, which is always, a good thing to note. Let's move to the next slide, please. So we'll be staying with our same teams as before. So if you were in team 2 before, you can go back to team 2, and so on and so forth. Again, we will be using breakout rooms. Same as before, we will do our group discussion, and then we will come back here and exchange notes. So if you need a reminder after your chai break, you can again see your name on the screen, and you can join the room accordingly. So it's around 5:10 now. Nidhi, should we aim to come back around 5:30? And anything you want to add before we head out?
5:30 sounds good. And I think you've covered everything. So let's just move out into that, to the breakout rooms. And
Great.
Yeah, so let's move on.
Okay.
See everyone.
See you all at 5:30.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Maybe again, no, the people who are there on the main call and who could not join a breakout. Mr. Manoj Kumar Jha, Mr. Manoj Kumar Gupta, are you all in this call?
मनोज कुमार गुप्ता मैडम.
और कौन है ये कॉल में? Is Mr. Santosh Kumar over here?
Yes.
Can you respond, whoever is on this call?
Hello, ma'am. Kindly post break session 2 link, ma'am. Kindly post break session 2 link in the chat.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I'll do.
ये एक यूजर के सर्विस
I have posted it. Savita ma'am, I've posted it. May I know who is on the main call? Mr. Govind Ram, are you on this call?
सनी नाम है क्या नाम है?
जो भी ये मेन कॉल पे है अपना नाम चैट में लिख लीजिए ताकि हमें पता चलेगा.
Nandita, can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can. I think you can start, but I'm assuming जितने भी होंगे they'll answer.
50 minutes more. Okay.
Yeah,
Hi
you
guys.
can start.
Okay. So guys, as explained in the main meeting, the first part of this activity you have to answer keeping yourself in mind. I mean, how do you see yourself? So, for example, when we talk about passion, what do you feel strongly about in the business? Could be anything, could be a job role or whatever. So, is there anything you guys would like me to add? Could be a goals, vision,
Contribution to the society. How we contribute
contribution to the
to society.
society. Great.
Ma'am,
Society.
ownership is very important when we talk about the business. We have to feel that we own that business because
That's right, sir.
that is very important.
Great. Anything else?
Ma'am, research is very important. That where do you stand with respect to your competitors, how they are moving in the field, what kind of strategy they are adopting. So it's very important to be apprised with all the business strategies adopted by the competitors in the banking industry particularly.
Mr. Subhasis also says to achieve the target. Mr. Subhasis, आपका ऑडियो खराब है क्या? आप अनम्यूट करके भी बोल सकते हो.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm Gaurav Sahai. I hope I'm audible, na?
This is Manoj Kumar Gupta, right?
No, I'm Gaurav Sahai. I'm only Gaurav Sahai. The points, ownership, these points I have made. So.
Okay, yeah, Mr. Gaurav, even you are audible.
Okay, sir. Nandita, are there any answers in the chat box?
There was one answer. Wait, I'll let you know.
Achieving target.
It was to achieve the target. That was by Mr. Subhasis.
Set the goal for achieving the target.
May I know who said this?
This is Manoj Gupta.
Okay. Mr. Santosh Kumar, where are your answers? Even you are on the call, right?
Okay, so moving on to the second part of this activity. Now we talk about how are we going to stand out as a leader in terms of talking about passion.
Ma'am, when we talk about passion, passion is basically a hyper state. Either you are very upset, or you are very angry, or you are very happy, or you are very excited. So it is very important that your passion for business should only yield to constructive. Should only yield to should only be contributing on the constructive side. So your passion should be translated into the business results for the bank. That is very important.
Right. That's a good answer.
Mahim, people are also saying set your goal and follow it until it is achieved.
Okay.
To keep the team motivated, madam.
Right, sir. And keeping
to have confidence upon your colleagues.
Pardon, sir. Can you please repeat that?
Have confidence upon your colleagues.
Trusting your colleagues, confidence.
क्या कर रहे थे सिंपल जी? क्या?
Okay, I think this is enough.
मैं बताऊं, रोहित को
Yeah,
आना है
yes.
प्रेजेंटेशन देने के लिए।
जी
उसका मैं कारण बताता हूँ सर, जो अगर आप मुझसे सही मायनों में सॉरी जस्ट
Mr. Govind Ram is saying read a lot of books on of the field.
Yes, ma'am. Read and research.
I think let's just put it as staying informed or constantly updating ourselves. I think that's a better answer. Okay, thank you guys. And moving on to the next part, talking about integrity. What helps people? What helps building people's trust and respect according to you?
What builds people?
Empathy.
सर आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही है. आप चाहे तो चैट बॉक्स
Empathy.
में लिख दीजिए आंसर.
Mahim, there are some answers in the chat like honoring commitments and then interim review the progress vis-a-vis target set and see where you lag. Like, just write honoring commitments first. Yeah, you can go on the chat and just copy paste what Mr. Subhashis has written.
Listening, madam.
Listening, right?
You can write review and set target and see where you lag.
ठीक है.
Listening के साथ में
Moving on, we see how can we stand out as a leader with respect to integrity. What can you as a leader do to build people's trust and respect? Imagine Mr. Subhashis is saying promise what you can keep. Okay.
Is Mr. Arun on the call as well?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Any answers from your end?
Ma'am, regarding integrity,
Yes, sir. How can you help build your team's trust and respect? This is the question. If you as a leader were to
ma'am, ma'am, what I believe is that first of all, you should be sincere to your work and your dedication.
your audio is breaking actually.
Ma'am, for integrity, there is high moral character. We show a high moral character.
Hello, am I audible, ma'am?
Yeah, sir. Please tell me.
First of all, the leader should be sincere and honest to his work and effort.
May I know who is this?
I think I feel leading by example is also very important. What else, guys? Is there anything else you would like me to add? Okay, okay. Moving on to impact. What gets people to pay attention to you?
Clarity of the goal.
Sorry?
Clarity of the goal.
Clarity. Okay.
There are a couple of responses in the chat also, Mahim. You can pick it up from there.
Yeah. Okay. Should be thinking and executing slightly in a different way. Yeah, this is right. Knowledge and command of work. Okay. Understanding the involvement of team members. Okay, I think we have had
Appreciation, madam. To pay respect and appreciation.
paying respect and appreciation. Okay. Okay. So I think this is enough for the first part. Now moving on, how can we stand out as a leader? I mean, how can you as a leader get people to pay attention to you? What can you do differently? What is the unique thing that you can do?
Leading by front is very important.
Leading by?
Leading by front.
And I recall an answer given by some of your colleagues a day or two back, and he said कि speaking in a regional language helps project a distinctive presence for the leader. I really like that answer, so I think I'll put this here. Can I have 2-3 more inputs for this?
Smiling face.
Smiling face. Okay.
Clear articulation of vision is also written by Mr. Jha.
Yeah, got it.
We are very happy that this group is very interactive.
You are doing the same thing as you are writing.
So you said something. I'm sorry, I wasn't able to catch.
Leave it, madam.
Actually, you're saying not just following others blindly and having your own style of working. But we are asking for your input, sir.
making value addition to what you are doing. As a team, we see our bosses making value addition to our work. So that is how they can make their presence quite distinctive.
Okay. Let's add value addition. Okay. Moving on to power. What sources of power do you have?
One is, madam, power to influencing others.
Source of power do you?
Okay. Influence.
Second is power to communication power.
Communication. That's a great answer.
Soft spoken, madam.
Okay.
And one more is, madam, knowledge. Power from knowledge and information.
Yes, it's major point.
Okay. Staying informed. All right. Anything else?
Past performance, madam.
All right, then moving on. How can you establish yourself as a leader? I think we can just write by using influence.
By using supporting power, support to our team members.
Supporting power, right?
Yeah, I think Mahim, we have enough answers, and we have all the other groups back as well.
All right, all right.
Thank you so much, Group 5.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Initiative.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Requesting everyone to please put themselves back on mute till your group turn comes and you're presenting. So we've had everyone in the main room back, and I think Mahim, you were typing in, but if Nandita can take over and project the klaxons for everyone else as well, please.
Yeah, just give me a minute.
Yes, absolutely. So while all of that is loading in the back end, who is going to be presenting? Last time we had group 1 to 5, then we went 5 to 1. Wow, I'm on echo mode. This time let's do a little bit arbitrarily. Let's just volunteer quickly.
If you could please present our findings.
Ma'am, actually, the font is so small that I can barely see it. Just, can you make it large? Okay. That's enough.
Okay, so is it visible now for you?
Good.
All right. Okay. Yes, Nitin, please share with us what got discussed in your group.
What we feel strongly about our banking system. Banking system हमारे यहाँ इकोनॉमी में जान फूकता है. अगर बैंकिंग नहीं है तो हमारी इकोनॉमी नहीं है. तो मैं अगर बैंकिंग में हूँ तो मैं अपनी नेशनल इकोनॉमी को पार्टिसिपेट कर रहा हूँ, उसमें कुछ ना कुछ कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहा हूँ, ऑल बी इट वन स्मॉल वन, बट आई एम पार्टिसिपेटिंग।
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, यस।
जो पीपल का ट्रस्ट कैसे बनेगा, हमारे कस्टमर्स का ट्रस्ट कैसे बनेगा, ऑनेस्टी से बनेगा। अगर मैं कोई प्रोडक्ट उन्हें बेचने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, कोई सेल कर रहा हूँ, तो मुझे कन्विक्शन होती है वो मेरे लिए अच्छा है, तभी मैं उसे ऑफर करूंगा। अगर वो मेरे लिए अच्छा नहीं है तो मैं बिल्कुल ऑफर नहीं करूंगा। कस्टमर के सामने हमें बिल्कुल ट्रू दिखना चाहिए, उसे ये नहीं लगे कि हम उसे चीट कर रहे हैं। डेडिकेशन टू वर्क, एम्प्लॉय डेडिकेशन टू वर्क होगा तो पीपल हमें अटेंशन देंगे, ये तो बिल्कुल जाहिर सी बात है। मैम थोड़ा सा इसको नीचे,
इसको Nidita, you'll have to scroll up, the bar comes every time. Yes, little more. The word, yeah, now this is perfect.
हाँ, बैंकिंग इंडस्ट्री में प्रोडक्ट की नॉलेज होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। अगर मैं काउंटर पे बैठा हूँ, कस्टमर मेरे पास आता है, तो आई कैन शेयर माय प्रोडक्ट। अगर मुझे ही प्रोडक्ट नहीं मालूम मैं क्या बताऊँ उसे, तो नॉलेज बहुत ज़रूरी है। हमारे अब नॉलेज के लिए ज़्यादा हमें भागने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती, हमारे डेस्कटॉप पे रहता है, हमारे मोबाइल फ़ोन पे रहता है, हमारा बरोडा पीडिया है। हमें कोई भी चीज़ सर्कुलर चाहिए, हम तुरंत उसमें लॉग इन करके देख सकते हैं, प्रोडक्ट की जानकारी ले सकते हैं। तो ज़्यादा होमवर्क करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती, एट ए टाइम हम रिट्रीव कर सकते हैं नॉलेज को।
Part 2 of the activity.
Part 2, हाँ, Part 2 का पहला पॉइंट मुझे थोड़ा नहीं दिख रहा, उसे थोड़ा नीचे करिए मैम। ये जो और ऊपर हो गया,
just scroll down. हाँ, now it is there.
हर साल हमें कुछ गोल दिए जाते हैं जो हमारे जेम्स स्कोर को रिफ्लेक्ट करते हैं। कोई भी हमारा गोल हुआ और वो हमें दिया गया, वो हमें पूरा करना है, और पैशन होगा तभी हम पूरा कर पाएंगे, वरना सैलरी तो सबको एक सी मिलती है, क्या फर्क पड़ता है। लेकिन अगर मुझे पैशन है मेरे वर्क का, तो मैं उसे शो कर पाऊंगा। ओनरशिप, मेरी टीम, अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम आ गई है तो अगर मैं ट्रू लीडर हूँ तो मैं आगे रहूंगा। अगर मैं ही आगे रहने की हिम्मत नहीं जुटा पाऊंगा तो मेरा सबऑर्डिनेट है, वो क्या काम, वो कुछ भी नहीं कर पाएगा। तो मुझे आगे रहना है। अगर कोई भी फंक्शन चल रहा है, बैंक का कोई प्रोग्राम चल रहा है और किसी को बोलने को कहा जाता है, तो अपनी टीम में सबसे पहले मैं आऊँ, क्योंकि मैं लीडर हूँ। कम्युनिकेशन स्किल और पर्सनैलिटी, पर्सनैलिटी को लोग कई बार आउटलुक से रिलेट करते हैं कि वो क्या कहता है, जबकि पर्सनैलिटी का दिखने से कोई संबंध नहीं है। पर्सनैलिटी वो है कि यदि मैं 10 लोगों के बीच में खड़ा हूँ और 10 लोग मुझे सुन रहे हैं तो मेरी पर्सनैलिटी है, वरना नहीं है। हमारे यहाँ लीडर्स जो होते हैं, जो ट्रू लीडर्स हैं, बड़े बड़े लीडर, वो देखने में तो कोई खास नहीं होते हैं, वो देखने में कोई हीरो या हीरोइन जैसे नहीं लगते, लेकिन उन्हें लाखों लोग सुनने आते हैं, उनको लाखों लोग टीवी पे देखते हैं और उनसे इंस्पायर होते हैं। वो है पर्सनैलिटी। तो अगर मेरी पर्सनैलिटी है तो मैं ब्रांच में भी उसी प्रकार से अपनी ब्रांच को आगे बढ़ा के ले जाऊं। रिस्क टेकिंग कैपेसिटी, अगर बिग रिस्क बिग गेम, तो छोटा मोटा रिस्क तो मुझे लेना पड़ेगा। हम मनी से खेल रहे हैं, वी आर प्लेइंग विद द फायर। अगर हम रिस्क नहीं लेंगे तो हम बिजनेस नहीं कर पाएंगे। थोड़ा बहुत रिस्क तो लेना पड़ता है मैडम, लेकिन वो रिस्क कैलकुलेटेड होना चाहिए, और रिस्क लेके ही हम लीडर बन सकते हैं, आगे चलते अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को आगे ले सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
यूजफुल पॉइंट्स आपने जो रिस्क के बारे में बोला, वो भी कितना जरूरी है। मतलब अदरवाइज वी बैंकर्स, वन ऑफ द थिंग इज ऑलवेज टू प्ले इट सेफ कि रिकवरी हो जाए, यू नो परफॉर्मिंग एसेट्स एंड एनपीए ना हो, ये सब ना हो। बट रिस्क कहाँ लेना है, इट इज क्वाइट इंपॉर्टेंट। दैट्स हाउ यू विल चैलेंज एंड हाउ यू विल लर्न and stand out as somebody who is ready to do something unfamiliar. So that is quite an interesting take. Thank you so much, Manoj Kumar ji. So that was group 3. And now Nandita is going to scroll up and do any random group, and we will call that random group. Nandita just scrolled anywhere. So which group is this? I can't read the name. Group 5. Okay, group 5. Nandita is projecting group 5, so we are going to hear from group 5. Who was in group 5?
Nandita, this is activity number 2.
And that group 5? Okay, so group 5, who were the people in group 5? Who was in the main room? Who will remember? Nandita?
Mahim, do you know what? Do you want to take any names? So, Mr. Prahlad Jha, would you like to present?
Mr. Subhashish Mohanty also. If anyone would like to volunteer to present.
Mr. Gaurav Sahai was also on call. Sir, even if you would like to present.
Hello, group 5. So many names have been spoken. आप में से कोई आएगा? I know it is coming to the end of your business day and all kinds of things have to be done, but this is the last activity. So let's make it count.
Mr. Manoj Kumar Gupta, आप लेना चाहेंगे?
लग रहा है कि आप कुछ बोलना चाह रहे हैं, but it's not audible to us, Mr. Gupta. Okay, so if nobody from group 5 is going to speak, I guess we will have to look at it ourselves. Let's move on to, go back to group 5. We might as well look at it, please. Whatever was shared, even if they are being very silent.
Yeah, I'm on group 5 only, Nidhi.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Group 2 का कर लेते हैं.
Group 5 complete कर लेते हैं unless and until they will come back and speak. So group 5 is saying they want to contribute to society. They want to achieve targets. That's how they will show passion. And checking goals until they're achieved, keeping team motivated and updating oneself. We will see that as a theme. Integrity में actually honoring commitments जो बोला है उसको करना, showing empathy and listening. और progress को review करना. So this is, I think this is a new point. To make sure where we are, target setting, so that we keep an eye on the goalpost. Sincerity, honest, leading by example, so important, and promising only what you can keep. So over promise and under deliver ना करके, maybe under promise if needed and over deliver. Impact, goal की clarity होनी चाहिए. Execution may be done differently. लकीर के फकीर ना होके, maybe doing something very differently. Being knowledgeable, involving team members in decision making, so important. Paying respect. बार बार वही आता है, leading from front, and this is very interesting, speaking in a regional language. So maybe in order to convince people, speak in a local language. Face smile करना चाहिए, बहुत ही जरूरी चीज है. I agree completely to that. Nobody wants to see a frowny face. It could be a little bit. Not just following others blindly, but having your own style of working, important. Value add करना. Whatever that we are doing, how can I add value to that? जो किया गया उतना नहीं, थोड़ा उससे extra भी. If you could scroll a little higher. Power. How my sources of power can be the way I communicate, influence. I can't read the last 2 bars. Yes, being soft spoken. So that is someone's distinctiveness. Instead of shouting, being informed. And how I can establish myself, boost my influence and taking initiative. So that is it for group 5, the silent group. Group 2 में से कोई enthusiastic लग रहे थे, so let's go to group 2.
No, enthusiastic तो नहीं, लेकिन हाँ मुझे कहीं जाना था इसलिए मैं चाह रहा था कि I should complete first.
अभी तो बाकी का भी. अच्छा चलिए आप.
I have some other assignment too.
I see. चलिए सिन्हा जी बोलिए.
Okay, then thank you very much. Much of the things have been covered by both the group. I will add up some new things which may be of useful for whole the group.
Absolutely. Thank you for that.
Yes. Passion. Passion is a composition of 7 elements like creativity, love, power, joy, peace, wisdom, and unity. तो हम एक पॉइंट को elaborate नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि everybody knows about all these things. So it's a whole composition. You start loving your work passionately, half of the problem will be solved. शिद्दत से चाहो तो सारा जहां तुम्हारा है. ये एक गुरु मंत्र है कि passion is the main karma which can lead you to your target. Going extra mile, leading the team from the front, it has already been covered. Taking ownership and responsibility. Integrity part, I am covering now integrity part. Integrity is always to be beyond doubtful. It has to be beyond doubt. Honoring sentiments of your subordinates. Have faith in your team.
Okay.
Transparent in your impact. Being transparent in your act.
Transparent.
किधर? I did not.
ट्रांसपेरेंसी जो है आपके डीड्स में दिखनी चाहिए, सिर्फ बोलने का नहीं होना चाहिए कि वी आर ट्रांसपेरेंट. आपके कामों से झलकना चाहिए कि यू आर ट्रांसपेरेंट इन योर बिजनेस एक्टिविटी, विथ योर स्टाफ, विथ योर कस्टमर, विथ योर को पार्टनर्स.
Okay.
Power, having faith in your team and having faith in yourself. Creating a team, being a moderator, because a team building or creating a team spirit is almost important to the towards completion of your task. If you have created a team, half the work, half the job is over. Everybody in your team cannot run at same pace, so you have to be a moderator so that everybody can come along at the same pace to achieve the designated task, designated target. So just I conclude.
Thank you, Sinaji. Thank you so much for that. आप लोगों ने taking feedback from people भी लिखा है, which is another interesting, important thing. It makes you stand out as someone different. All right. So now we have group 1 and I think the group 4 remaining, right? So would group 1 like to go ahead now?
Yeah, this is group 1.
So group 1, so who's going to present from here?
Yes, ma'am.
Go for it.
Regarding first,
Presenting for
group 1, sorry.
Group 1.
So do you want to present, Mohanty ji? So then we'll have to go to your particular group.
Hello. Hello.
हाँ मनोज, which you were in which group?
Ma'am, myself, Brijesh Kumar, representing group 1.
Okay, it's not showing here. Sorry. All right. Please go ahead.
Is it right now on the screen? Is for group 1 or is group 2, ma'am?
I think it is showing group. Now it's coming. Group 1 is projecting, right, Nandita?
Yeah.
Yes, group 1. It's what we were discussing.
Okay, ma'am. Regarding what we feel strongly about in the business, important thing is that we have to achieve the targets whatever assigned to our team, and apart from this, and this can be achieved by taking our business in the right direction, and only we can achieve the target and we can get the business only through only when we enhance our knowledge and we become a knowledgeable banker. Regarding integrity, giving technically correct solution, not only technically correct solution, but it should be implementable. And while giving these solutions, you should be very honest and you should be ethical one. And important thing is that your organizational, your personal values should be well in alignment with the organizational values. Regarding impact, you should always try to create a win-win solution for both customer as well as for the bank. And our we should and we can create impact with only enhancing our social and communication skills and in upgrading our technical knowledge. Regarding, ma'am, please just इसको थोड़ा सा ऊपर करें अगर power, what sources of power we are having. The important source of making good business is our fast decision making capability, and apart from this fast, it should be correct decision, and it can be correct only when we have got good knowledge about the product and the process and the system, and that if we can communicate it effectively, not only among with customers but also with our team members, then the result can be delivered. Now regarding part 2, please scroll down. Scroll down, ma'am. Part 2.
Nandita, scroll. Yes.
Yeah. Regarding being passionate about what we believe in, passionate means it demands our complete involvement and almost taking something. Means we should cover some extra miles to achieve the target. That means we should come out.
Sorry, Vijayji, I will just ask you to pause for a minute. Those who are speaking, please put yourselves on mute. I have a feeling it is Subhashish Mohanty ji and Manoj Kumar ji who are speaking. So आप please अपने आप को mute पे रख लीजिए, because we are getting the background noise. Carry on, Vijay.
Okay, ma'am. What I was saying regarding being passionate about what we believe in, it needs complete involvement in our goal and in our goals, and that can be achieved only if we go out of our comfort zone and we enhance our knowledge with our team members and our colleagues. Regarding ownership and accountability, we have to assure our team that we are with them not only in good phase but also in the crisis. We can be as a leader, we are a strong support for them, and while giving them all support and while doing this team building, we should ensure transparent communication with our colleagues and with our customers. Number 3, project a distinctive presence. That can be done only when we are updated with present market conditions and our customer preferences, what do like. Only then we can stand out as a good banker and we can achieve our target. Ma'am, please scroll up just thoda sa upar ka dikh nahi raha. Yes. And regarding establishing yourself as a leader, that can be done only by improving our network. It may be either social network, or it may be our knowledge network, or it may be getting information, early information, and using it in a right way at right point of time to gain the business. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Bridgetji. Again, similarities between some points, because we are, after all, bankers and we are understanding the business similarly. So about being updated with market trends, customer information, being on point with that is very important. Networking का focus आपने अलग बताया है, and alignment of personal values to organizational values will help you give more impact. That's something which is new and different as well. And networking is very important because that's one of the biggest ways in which you will get more opportunities. I think one of the US-based research I was reading about some time back is that 83% of job opportunities come as a result of not just what you know, but who you know, or rather who knows what you do. 83%. So that's amazing. So networks का value बहुत ज़रूरी है. जब कोई ऐसी मीटिंग चल रही है जहाँ सीनियर लोग बैठे हुए हैं, they are taking a bet on किसको ये अपॉर्चुनिटी दे सकते हैं, या नया रोल आ रहा है, या नया प्रोजेक्ट आ रहा है, तो who are the people whom we can call to create a core team. So आपका नाम वो लें, उसके लिए आपको एफर्ट करना पड़ेगा. मतलब थिंक अबाउट इट, आपके टीम में 10 लोग होंगे, आप हर एक को उतने डिटेल में नहीं जानते होंगे. There may be some you know more and some you may know relatively lesser, and probably the ones who you know more have also taken effort to project themselves, to highlight वो क्या कर रहे हैं, कैसे कर रहे हैं, or to create a relationship with you. So similarly, you will have to influence upwards and sideways as well, so that you are able to stand out as a leader. ये आप ही के कंट्रोल में है और आप ही को ही करना है. Waiting for someone else to do it is मतलब आपने remote control उनको दे दिया and not keeping it back with you. So that's a useful point. Thank you so much for that. I think we have one group remaining. Which group is remaining now? Did we cover all groups?
We have 4.
4 is remaining, right? Yes.
Sorry, ma'am. Group 4 has already completed. RK Sinha.
Group 2 is remaining, ma'am.
Group 2 is remaining, yes.
Okay, so Savita, you're going to speak from group 2?
Yeah, ma'am.
All right, okay.
Ma'am, so the major points of discussion which arise from group discussion in our team was that how do we see ourselves related to business. So we see ourselves as a guiding force, a center point which guides the team members for achieving the business goals and as an advisor to them. Second point is what builds people's trust and respect. We feel that being customer focused and then honesty and integrity are the values which build people's trust, and then understanding your juniors, your staff, your customers, and giving support to them, this builds trust in them. Then what gets people to pay attention to you? We feel that clear and concise communication, to the point discussion on whatever matter it is being made, and eye to eye contact with people makes people pay attention to you. Then what are the sources of power we have? We think that we have the power of knowledge, experience, and we always have that willingness to learn further. Then on how are we going to stand out as a leader? We make goals, we monitor those goals. So focusing this way, we'll be able to achieve our goals and be passionate and work upon our business targets. Then ownership and accountability. We feel that whatever the plans are being chalked out and guided to our juniors, we are taking accountability and ownership of whether good or bad results come out of that. And then standing out as a leader, it is a team effort always, like we are working in the branches. It is never a single person who is like responsible for anything. He's a guiding factor, but it is always a team, so a team should always be motivated. Then only a leader will be able to stand out. And establishing yourself as a leader, we need to improve upon our shortcomings by taking feedback from our juniors and then working both upon our strengths and weaknesses. Thanks, ma'am. This is from our side.
Yeah, thank you, Savita. I think we had asked for group 2 to present and we had only summarized this. So when we started speaking, I sort of realized that. So working on both strengths and weaknesses, I think, is a very important part. Asking for feedback which is distinctive, so that you are able to stand out as well, and not only just stand out but also learn from whatever feedback, so that you are able to grow. हमको लगता है कई बार कि हम ही सब कुछ जानते हैं और हमारा ही तरीका सही है, but sometimes how we are perceived is as important to show us our blind spots. तो आपने ये काफी interesting point को highlight किया है. So thank you for that. Okay, so with that, I think we have covered all the groups, right? All the groups have been covered, and now here we are at the end of it all. So now that we have covered the main parts of the entire presentation, I would ask the entire cohort here, जो भी लोग present है इस वक्त call में, what are some of your learnings and takeaways from today's conversation? So what is it that you think you can start doing from tomorrow onwards? What has been your learning?
Madam, team spirit. मुझे ये
हाँ
लगता
बोलिए।
है कि इस सेशन के बाद अधिकतर लोग अपनी टीम को साथ लेकर चलने के लिए और ज़्यादा मोटिवेट होंगे। ये हमारा टेक अवे है आज का। हाँ, और वो हमारे बिजनेस में, हमारी ब्रांच के बिजनेस में मदद करेगा।
जी बहुत अच्छा, टीम के साथ लेके चलना है ना। आप जैसे बोल रहे हैं टीम, पूरे दिन में हम लोगों ने टीम की ही बात करी है कि हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इट इज, सो थैंक यू फॉर दैट। और कोई उनका पर्सनल टेक अवे कि हाँ हम ये कर सकते हैं, मैं ये करना चाहता हूँ या करना चाहती हूँ, करूँगा रादर मे बी मोर इम्पोर्टेंट।
Concept of schema, ma'am, this is from group 4. Concept of schema was something new to us. Other aspects we already know, we are already pursuing it, we are already following it. But what you taught about schema was very learning, and we will try to imbibe them belongingness, confidence, energy, and significance. The theory of the schema.
ओके, तो उसमें से कोई एक एक्शन आपको लगता है जो आप करना चाहेंगे कि हाँ कल से आई वुड वांट टू स्टार्ट डूइंग मोर ऑफ दिस, मैं ऑलरेडी कुछ कर रहा हूँ लेकिन मैं इसको थोड़ा कॉन्शियसली करूँगा।
Doing it, however, building confidence in your team members. Yes, they can do. Yes, they can do it independently. Yes, boss is with me. We'll do it together. I can do it independently, and whenever I get hurdle, my boss is with me.
तो आप उनको कॉन्फिडेंस देंगे कि हाँ मैं आपको सपोर्ट करने के लिए तैयार हूँ, आप कर सकते हैं, आप जाइए करिए। लवली लवली, दिस इज अ वेरी स्पेसिफिक टेक अवे, सो थैंक यू फॉर दैट। और कोई ऐसी कुछ बताना चाहेगा? हाँ बोलिए। वॉइस क्लियर नहीं आ रही अमित, आई एम सॉरी, थोड़ा सा वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज करेंगे, आई एम नॉट एबल टू हियर।
हेलो,
हाँ नाउ इट इज क्लियरर, बट हाँ गो ऑन।
हेलो,
यस यू आर ऑडिबल।
Mr. Sanjay, we can hear you. बोलिए।
Yeah, ma'am. Just from tomorrow onwards, I will take like that. Whatever assigned tasks there, I will follow until it got not completed. Suppose assigned that so many pressure is there, something is missing. So whatever assigned task is there, I will follow up till with passion until it is not get completed. So this is the biggest takeaway I from today. I am taking away.
Lovely. So पूरे जोश के साथ डटे रहना till it finishes. Very nice. Just last one or two more people, and then we'll end today's session.
Hello.
Yes, please go ahead.
We all are already heading a team. We are doing work, but one thing what I want to immediately start from today itself. That I want to take more feedback from my team members. And frequent feedback. I want to get frequent feedback from my members.
Such a valuable thing. Thank you so much. ना कई बार हमें ही लगता है ना, has been saying कि हमें आता है, लेकिन क्या पता कोई और कोई नए नजरिए से देख रहा है, so that could help us solve the issue. So it requires a level of humility to say कि हमें आता नहीं है, या किसी और के suggestion के लिए भी open है. So lovely, thank you. Last one or two voices more, and then we pack up everyone. हाँ बोलिए.
Yes, one more takeaway. That from now onwards we should try to become a leader instead of being a boss.
Wow, what a lovely line. I just don't want to be a boss, I want to be a leader. Lovely.
Yes, this is the feedback.
Nidhi, I think this was the line of the session, don't you think?
I know. That's like, wow, this is what I've noted to end on types.
May I know who gave this line?
Brajesh Kumar Pathak.
क्या बात है सर, बहुत बढ़िया.
So anyone else has a line to top it off, or should we then consider this done?
मैडम, all the five groups की तरफ से मैं आप सब लोगों का थैंक्स कहता हूँ। बहुत ही अच्छा सेशन रहा। आप लोगों ने बहुत तैयारी करी थी, जरा सा भी कहीं भी किसी को दिक्कत नहीं हुई। हम लोगों को लग रहा था कि पता नहीं क्या 4 घंटे कैसे बीतेंगे, लेकिन पता ही नहीं चला कैसे बीत गए। और वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग सेशन, और आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। बहुत अच्छा ग्रुप था, आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे से कोऑर्डिनेट किया।
How sweet of you. Very much. Thank you on behalf of all of us, all the people that you saw on screen on that slide. Thank you so much.
मैं प्रतीक बोलूंगा मेरे अड्डों की तरफ से मैं सभी की तरफ से आपका शुक्रिया अदा करता
Technically also the meeting was very useful and very flawless meeting with no hindrance at all.
क्या बात है. Okay, Deloitte team, we are getting some good feedback.
Technically it was flawless meeting.
Great salute to
for
your
4 hours. For 4 hours it was flawless.
Super. Thank you so much. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. हाँ जी, बोलिए.
Great salute to your expertise.
अरे,
great salute. Really, it was full of knowledge. Very interesting.
Very kind of you. Very much humble. Thank you. Last slide है. This is very important. Please take your selfies with the session background. Let me put this here. सेल्फी लीजिए और अपने जो कोहॉर्ट्स है उसमें ईमेल का व्हाट्सएप कर दीजिए. ओके, आप समझ रहे हैं. सो दोज हु आर स्टिल रिमेनिंग, टेक अ सेल्फी. हाँ जी, बिल्कुल सेल्फी लेनी है. ये बैकग्राउंड रहेगा और आपकी शक्ल रहेगी फोरग्राउंड में और आप उसको पोस्ट करेंगे.
क्या बात है मैडम.
हाँ जी,
सारी क्वालिटीज तो आपने
So तभी तो आप लोगों को पता चलेगा कि you're all here till the end. So please do that and I think the links you are already part of the group. So आप उसको post कीजिएगा. I'm going to let this slide remain so that अगर लोग आगे पीछे कर रहे हैं, so that's what it is. Just 1 minute. If you have any questions, you can write to us at brsp@bankofbaroda.com. और this. जी. I'm going to keep this screen at the background. Thank you very much, everyone. Once you have,
maybe we can ask everyone to switch on their video for 30 seconds. We can click a group picture. मतलब अगर ये live session होता तो हम group picture लेते, लेकिन अभी आप virtually अपना video call on कीजिए. फिर we'll click a picture also, group picture.
So I am opting out of that.
Yeah, for the participants.
For the participants. Yes. Please, those of you who are there and Nandita is asking us to switch on, asking you all to switch on the video and so that she can take a picture. Print screen, क्या करोगे? Okay, so I am assuming all this is happening in the background and I'm going to end our session with thanking you all and for a lovely session. Great audience, great interaction. All the very best.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, ji. Bye. Bye. Team, I think I'm not going to exit this. I'm assuming people would have taken their selfies, etc. So I'm going to just stop sharing.
Yes, thank you, Nidhi. Thank you everyone for participating.
Thank you. We just have a few of us. I'm hanging up and all the best, everyone. Bye.